Okay, so now let's go buy some other altcoins on Bittrex, another exchange. Let's do this quickly since now we already know how to buy on exchange. So I'll go back on CoinMarketCap. I'll go here on exchanges. And you see Binance is number 1. Let's find Bittrex. So Bittrex is 23rd in volume, but Bittrex has a lot of these other altcoins that other exchanges don't have, are not listed on those exchanges. So you're probably going to have a Bittrex exchange. Now just all these coins there. Let's say I want to buy Verge. Okay, so XVG. I'll just take it randomly. So let's go back and check my exchanges. So Bittrex exchange, we were in our wallets, and looky here, our Bitcoin transaction is in the one we sent earlier, right? So good, right? Took a bit of time. So the pending deposit, it actually became a pending deposit, then it came out of that, and here is the deposit finally, right? Okay, so if I want to buy something, well, do I want to see my orders? No, I don't really care about my orders, and there's no open orders right now, and there's no historical orders. There's nothing going on. If I want to buy something, I go in markets. And here we go. Do I want to go on the USD market? So do I want to buy with USD? No. I have Bitcoin. So do I want to buy with Bitcoin? Yes. Right? And you see there's more coins in here. With USD, there's only these coins that you could buy, and only one page. With Bitcoin, look at this. There's all of these coins you can buy. Let me close this up. All of these coins you can buy, and you see there's many pages on that market. You have the Ethereum market as well, and you have the USDT market. So the USDT market, again, which is the Tether, not actual USD. So Bittrex just started using actual USD, and that's why they only have a few pairs that you can trade with actual USD. But yeah, most of the volume you're going to see is going to be on USDT market, and you'll see it does a lot of volume. So this is where you want to trade. Here on Ethereum, not a lot of people trade using that. So again, it's going to be very low, but on Bitcoin, it's going to be very high again. Okay, so we'll buy with Bitcoin. Which one did we say we want to buy? We said we wanted to buy Verge, XVG. So here we go. Just click on this one. It brings me to the trading page, and then I can see the chart. Okay, so it's trading. This is the price of XVG based on Bitcoin, right? So it's not on dollars. This might go down, but you actually might make money in dollars. So what happens if Bitcoin's price goes really skyrocket? So the price of XVG based on Bitcoin drops because Bitcoin is worth more and XVG isn't worth as much. So, it costs less Bitcoins to buy one XVG. So this drops. Well, it doesn't mean that when you compare it to USD or Canadian or fiat currency that it dropped. It might have went up because of that too, because maybe XVG went up a bit, but Bitcoin went up faster. So then when you're looking at the price of XVG per Bitcoin actually dropped because XVG compared to Bitcoin it costs less Bitcoin to buy an XVG, so it drops. But when you compare that to actually USD, since Bitcoin is worth so much more, it's actually more in dollar value. So again, this is when you compare versus Bitcoin. Okay. So if I want to buy this, let's see here. What do I have? I have here, there's a nice chart of buy orders and sell orders, right? And here is all the buy orders and the sell orders. So the same thing that we see everywhere, right? And here is what? Market history. That's the time of sales. So the trades, the time, buy, sell, and how many. And then you have open orders and order history, which there's none. Okay, so let's just put an order here to buy. I click here, I'll say buy, limit order, right? Quantity. How much does XVG trade at? Let's just check it out real quick. Verge, here we go. Oops, oh, it brings me here. Verge. So Verge is, a cent. Okay, so Verge traders at 1 cent each. So if I buy 100, I'll have to buy 1,000 or 20,000 to buy for $20. So let's buy for 20,000 Verges. So I'll go here and I'll put 20,000 to 0, 1, 2, 3. And that's the quantity I want. Where do I want to buy? I can click I want to buy at the bid, which is here. But again, if I do that and I click buy, my order is going to go here and I'll be waiting. So 20,000, 20000. Okay. Okay, here we go. So I clicked enter, right? I'll cancel. So I put the 2,000, I put my price in, I click buy Verge. It gives me a confirmation. Do you want to buy that? It'll cost you, this is the commission, and it'll cost you that much in total. Okay, confirm. Now what happens? My order goes here and you see, now I'm here. I'm part of this order book and I can see my open order here. Now, I don't want to wait to get filled again because, you know, this is a course, so I'll just cancel. And I'll just put a higher price. I'll buy from this guy at 210. So I'll put it at 210, buy Verge, and confirm. Here we go. And then if I go back on my wallet, so my transaction is complete. Go back on my wallet and let's check here. What do I have? I'll remove the BTC from here. I'll hide my zero balances. And here I have Verge is the one I have 2,000 coins. I bought 2,000, not 20,000. So 2,000. And these are some other coins that I had. And Bitcoin is, I still have my 0.11 because it costs so little to buy this. And that's it. Same thing. I can withdraw it and put it on my wallet, or I can leave it in the exchange to trade, right? So for now, I'll just leave it on this exchange. But for you, if it's an investment, make sure you withdraw it out of your wallet.